Hi, good day. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this is regarding about my new pet, and I bought this new pet last week. So it's a cockatiel. So it's a two months old, according to the pet owner. So I name this bird as Baba, and unfortunately, I don't know yet the gender of this bird because it's too early. Um, it's just 2 months old, so the gender will be more um, visible after or around 6 to 9 months, according to the pet store owner. And yeah, for now, I'll be calling this bird as her or his, she or he for now, just to make sure that you will not be confused along the video. So for this is the first day. So what I'm doing is that I'm just looking um, him or her from afar and let them examine the surroundings or the new environment. So I'm just calling her by the name of Baba. And yeah, so just watching her from afar. And next is that I'm sitting beside the cage because they mentioned that you just need to sit beside them or beside the cage just to let the bird um, sees you, to know your behavior, your physical face, of course, and to familiarize your actions on your daily activity. So while you're doing checking your Facebook or social media platform on your phone or your laptop on your tab while sitting beside the cage, that is really good for the bird to observe you of what you're doing. So that's what I'm doing right now, but I can't resist of taking some pictures or videos, and it seems that Baba is loving it. And Baba is not a camera shy bird. So there you go. I'm just sharing this one to you. So first up is just sitting beside the cage. And on the second day, I'm trying to insert my hand inside the cage and let's see how it works. Because they mentioned, or the pet owner mentioned that don't touch or don't do anything within the next 5 days. But I'm trying my so I'm taking the risk and let's see how it works. So I'm just doing something inside just to make sure everything is good, even though that I'm just inserting it just for the bird to know um, to know the reaction. So that's it. So I'm trying to use these uh, treats and let's see if it works. So I'm just putting it on my hand, try to insert. Seems that Baba is still afraid. Just placing my hands again inside for a bit. And still the reaction is not that good, so I just need to change again. Change. So I'm doing this because just for my bird to familiarize about my hands inside the cage. So again, the taming part is really it takes a lot of patience. So it's, and then on the third day, so this time I'm trying to just beside the cage, sitting down and just blowing some air to Baba. I don't know if Baba loves the smell, but seems that Baba is more calm right now compared to previous attempts. Good thing Baba is just staying in one place, unlike previously that Baba is all over the cage. So I was sitting there almost an hour, having an eye contact with Baba, and just talking to Baba, calling out his name. So after that, I went outside. Yeah, because when I checked uh, the marketplace earlier this morning, and I saw this post for the bird cage, and it's for $20. So I went out with my friend Mel to get it, and yeah, good thing because this one it costs so much if I buy this one through a Canadian Tire or any stores or pet stores. It really costs a lot. So good thing this is just a second hand. It's $20, not that expensive. So since they are not using it, I bought it from them. So we feel hungry after that, so we decided to stop by to eat through a Korean store.
Nestle Tok Yuki day. Ang igagawa sa man.
Okay, sige. Okay na tungata ni.
Asa na?
Mata or gusto ka
Tunga ta.
Sige. Tapos dagatag
Oo.
na ano.
Ramen?
Ramen o
Oo.
tteokbokki mo. Mga tungata. Sige.
Gamay raman din tayo. Tulon ta kakuan tapos tunga ta.
Tulo ka sa man.
Di siya
Tulo
sa
ka
man.
siya. Sige, sige, sige.
Tteokbokki.
Ramen.
Kaning may cheese day ha.
Okay.
Ramen o
O sa man. Ang ikaw tulo. Japchae. Pareha na
Japchae
noodles.
dito.
Noodles pareha na
Asa ba?
okay na di mo.
Asa japchae?
Pero noodles gapon.
Sigo.
Pera ka na?
Oo.
Sige. Ito yun na, will na na. Hindi na ba na natin kung ako niladaan? Hindi.
Magkuhan ka plato extra plate.
Okay.
Yes, we would like to get this one, the 19.
Which one? Beef or tofu?
Sorry. Meat, would you go to meat or veggies? Meat?
Yun na lang.
Meat, meat, and then this one with cheese and ramen with
Saan yung mga ramen?
ano seafood. Pwede ka na seafood.
Ikaw, kaya mo isa.
Seafood.
Little ramen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it spicy, the seafood?
Can I get this spicy?
Okay.
Okay.
And can we have extra plate? 2 plates.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Ha? Ganahan ko sila serving kita kung kaya. Ha? Let's start.
Dito magkuhan lang.
Dito rin ha?
This is over. Tastes like this is your butter soup and my butter soup rice or more.
Amen.
What service naman lang? Okay na.
Okay na niya?
No. Okay na.
Parang gaya ko yung empty.
Okay na.
Ito na na, beta mo serving phone.
Okay na mo dito.
Saan ko nadaan? Lima. Okay, na today. Fish. Bikripan, baby, kaning baby noodles. Nami? Alam? Ano ba? Puro mga carbs? Ayan. Korean mo siya. Dahil hindi Korean. Hindi ko eh.
Korean. Tapos Chinese.
Ito na may uban nga. Resto nila. Korean pero dili sila Korean.
Napagwal ng tinidor ko.
Yung ganahan mo mag-chopstick tayo nga. Chopstick. Good. Pero okay, nakik mo responsibility.
Lami ramel. Purot na gali na.
So yun, ako na pa yung ano, ako na yung cook doon ha.
The aftermath.
After. Buk kayo.
So after we ate, we went back to our apartment. And I was really, really full. And as you can see, guys, my tummy is so big. Because I was thinking that the serving was not that big as what I mentioned earlier. But when it arrived to our table, the serving is really big. But good thing that we almost ate everything. And I'm just I'm thankful because I was really craving for a Korean food for the past few days. So good thing that we ended up there. But I'm really, really full. So I just need to change. There we go. So after I change, I get some paper towel and just soak it with water and bleach and Lysol just to clean the rack before I place it inside the house. So just to make sure that since I'm bringing this one from outside to inside, just to make sure that there's no germs or something in it, especially what's happening right now. So there we go. Placing back to the new bird cage before I use my bedside table. So right now there's a designated rack for the bird cage. Hopefully Baba would love it. So let's have a closer look for Baba. So this time we will try to feed using the millet and place it on my hand. Let's see. Oh, there we go. He's trying to eat, and I guess there's improvement for the past few days. So this would be the third day. So hoping that there will be some improvement. So still trying to observe my hands, and good thing this time around Baba is not moving from one place to another, so he just stayed in the same place with the food. It's of course. Oh, there we go. Baba is loving it. So there we go. Trying to, yeah. I think Baba is trying to build some trust right now. There we go. Look at his feet. It's on my finger right now. But still hesitant. So there you go. Baba is latching on my finger right now. So this time I'm trying to touch Baba without the food or the millet. Good thing that he's not running around again. And there we go. After minutes, hours, Baba is not afraid. This is the first time. So after that, I tried to place Baba on my workstation. He's trying to explore the area. I think Baba noticed the camera. Oh. Good thing Baba is gaining some trust. And then I think he's comfortable right now on my shoulder. But still, Baba is still exploring and watching my face. He stayed there for almost 2 hours. I think working and bonding with Baba is good. And this time I place him on the floor. But Baba wants to stay with me. Baba loves crawling everywhere. And the favorite part is my shoulder. So this is the day 4 of taming Baba. And look at him right now. He's enjoying the view, the place. And after a few minutes, this is what happened. Baba loves the head rubbing. And I guess that's all for now. And if you watch this video, if you have something to say on how to tame cockatiel, please let me know. Please provide your feedback down the comment box. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take good care. Bye bye for now.